13.271. We have to find the derivative of x minus a by x minus b. Given that a and b are constants. So f of x, given function we can write as f of x minus a divided by x minus b. That is a given function. We have to find the derivative of this function with respect to the variable x. Here a and b are constants. So here the function is in the form of u by v, quotient form. So we have to apply the quotient rule. Quotient rule is d by dx of u by v equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx whole divided by v square. That is the quotient rule. So we have to apply the quotient rule. So f dash x equal to, apply the quotient rule. So denominator into derivative of numerator. The denominator, that is x minus b. So x minus b into derivative of numerator. What's the numerator? X minus a. What's the derivative x minus a? So derivative x minus a is derivative x 1 minus derivative a 0. So directly we can apply. So the denominator, first start denominator into derivative of numerator, that is 1 minus 0. Then subtraction minus. In the product rule it is sum plus. Here it is subtraction minus. So minus numerator into, numerator is x minus a, into derivative of x minus b. Derivative x 1 minus 0. 1 minus derivative b 0. Whole divided by denominator square. Denominator x minus b. So x minus b whole square. Now we have to simplify. That is equal to x minus b into 1. That is x minus b. Minus x minus a into 1. X minus a. Minus bracket x minus a. Minus this minus. Then bracket x minus a into 1. X minus a. So we have to multiply with this negative. Minus of x minus a. Divided by x minus b whole square. That is equal to, here open the bracket. So we get x minus b minus x plus a divided by x minus b whole square. So x minus x cancel, a minus b. We get the answer a minus b divided by x minus b whole square. So answer is a minus b divided by x minus b whole square. Now 8th one, we have to find the derivative of x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a. Here also function is in the form of quotient, u by v form, u by v. And here a is a constant, given that a is constant. So here also we have to apply the quotient rule. So given function f of x equal to x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a. Then f dash x equal to, we have to apply quotient rule. First start with denominator. Denominator into derivative of numerator. So denominator x minus a into derivative of numerator. What's the numerator? Derivative x raised to n minus a raised to n. Derivative of x, bracket we can write. There are two terms, so we have to put the bracket. Derivative x raised to n. Apply the formula n into x raised to n minus 1. So n into x raised to n minus 1 minus. Now derivative a raised to n. Remember, whenever a is constant, a raised to n is also constant. So derivative of a constant is 0. So derivative a raised to n is 0. Don't write n a raised to n minus 1 since it is a constant. A raised to n is a constant, so derivative is 0. Then minus numerator into, numerator is x raised to n minus a raised to n into derivative of denominator. What's the denominator? Derivative x 1 bracket 1 minus derivative a 0. So that derivative over. Whole divided by denominator v square, denominator square, x minus a whole square. Now we have to simplify. X raised to x minus a into, open the bracket and simplify. Denominator only you can write x minus a whole square. Now simplify and write the numerator. So we get numerator x into, here minus 0 means same. So x into n x raised to n minus 1, n into x raised to n, x into n x raised to n minus 1, that is n into x raised to n, minus a n x raised to n minus 1, minus a into this. This minus, here 1 minus 0 1 into this same. So just to multiply by negative, minus into x raised to n minus x raised to n, minus into minus plus a raised to n, whole divided by x minus a whole square. So that is the answer. So x raised to this n into x raised to n, then minus a into n x raised to n minus 1, then here minus into x raised to n, minus into minus a raised to n plus a raised to n by x minus a whole square. That's the answer. Now, ninth one, we have to find the derivative of these functions with respect to x. So, for ninth, first one, f of x equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. So, we have to find the derivative. So, we have to find the derivative of 2x minus 3 by 4. So, write the given function as f of x, or you can write y. Then, if you write f of x, next the derivative of f of x is written as f dash x. So, f dash x is the derivative of f of x with respect to x. So, we can find the derivative f dash x. So, derivative of 2, here this is some difference of two terms. See, remember here only 2 is only a constant. So, directly we can find, no need of applying product rule. Directly we can write 2 constant, we can take outside. So, 2 into derivative x 1 minus derivative of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a constant, some number. So, derivative 3 by 4 0. So, answer is 2 into 1 2. Now, second one, f of x equal to 5x cube. 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1. So, this is the product of two functions. So, we can apply product rule. First function into derivative second plus second function into derivative first. That is product rule. This is quotient rule. This is product rule. So, apply product rule. First function into 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1. Derivative x 1 minus derivative 1 0. So, only 1. 1 minus 0. That is 1. Then plus second function into. Second function is x minus 1. X minus 1 into derivative of this one. So, derivative this we can write in bracket 5x cube, derivative of 5x cube, 5 into 5 constant. So, 5 into derivative of x cube, derivative x cube, derivative x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n is 3. So, we can write 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 3x square. Then plus derivative 3x plus 3 derivative 3x, 3 is a constant. 3 into derivative x, at derivative x 1. So, 3 into 1, 3. Then derivative minus 1, 0. So, only this much. So, we found first function into derivative of second, that is 1 plus second function into derivative of first. Derivative first means derivative of 5x cube, 5 into 3x square plus derivative 3x, 3. So, that's all. Now, we can simplify. That is 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 plus. Now multiply this. X into 15, 5 into 3. X into 15x square, 15x cube. 3 into x plus 3x minus 1 into 15x square minus 15x square minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So here we get 15. 15x cube plus 5x cube, that is 20x cube. Then so here 15x cube plus 5x cube, 20x cube, then minus 15x square, minus 15x square, 3x plus 3x, 6x, then minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So that is the answer, 20x cube minus 15x square plus 6x minus 4. So that is the answer. Now next one, third one. Third one, this one, x raised to minus 3. So here either you can apply product rule or you can multiply, simplify and write, then you can find the derivative. So when you multiply x raised to minus 3 into 5, that is 5x raised to minus 3. Then 3x into x raised to minus 3 plus 3 into x raised to minus 3. So we can apply a raised to m into a raised to n plus n. So we can write 5x raised to negative 3 plus 3 into x raised to 1 into x raised to minus 3, x raised to minus 2. Now we can apply find the derivative f dash x. F dash x equal to. So either you can apply product rule here, or first multiply then find the derivative. So we multiplied 5 into x raised to minus 3 plus 3 into x raised to minus 2. Now we can find the derivative. 5 into, this is derivative of 5x raised to minus 3. 5 constant, we can take outside. 5 into derivative of x raised to minus 3. Apply the formula x raised to n. Derivative of x raised to n. N into, n means minus 3. Minus 3 into x raised to n minus 1. N into x raised to n minus 1. Minus 3 into x raised to minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1. Plus derivative of 3x raised to minus 2. So 3 constant, 3 we can take outside. 3 into derivative of x raised to minus 2. Again apply the formula x raised to n. N into, n means minus 2. Minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. That is 5 into minus 3, minus 15. X raised to minus 4, minus 6 into 3 into minus 2. X raised to minus 3. That we can write minus x raised to minus 4 is same as 1 by x raised to 4. Minus 6 by x raised to 3. X raised to minus 3 is 1 by x raised to 3. X raised to minus 4, 1 by x raised to 4. So we go, that is the answer. Now, fourth one. Fourth one. Now, fourth one, same way you can, first you can multiply. Fourth one, first when we multiply, we get 3 into x raised to 5. Then, minus 6 into x raised to 5 into x raised to minus 9. That is x raised to negative 4. Sorry. Negative 4. 5 plus negative 9, negative 4. Now we can find the derivative. Derivative of 3 into derivative of x raised to 5. 5 into x raised to 4. Minus 6 into derivative of x raised to minus 4. That is minus 4 into x raised to minus 4 minus 1. That is minus 5. Like that you can find. Here also you can multiply. 3 into x raised to minus 4. 4 into multiply. Then we can find the derivative. Now see the sixth one. Now sixth one. F of x equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus x square by 3x minus 1. See here, first we have to find the derivative of 2 by x plus 1. Then we have to apply the quotient rule to find this. And to find the derivative of this, again we have to apply quotient rule. So we can find f dash x. F dash x equal to, first apply, to find the derivative of this term, you have to apply quotient rule. Quotient rule is denominator into x plus 1 into derivative of 2, constant 0, minus 2 into derivative of x plus 1, that is derivative x 1 plus derivative 1 0, 1 plus 0 only 1, whole divided by denominator square, that is x plus 1 whole square. So that is the derivative first term, minus, here again you have to apply quotient rule. So denominator into, that is 3x minus 1 into derivative x square, that is 2x, then minus x square, numerator into derivative of 3x minus 1. We know derivative 3x, 3 into derivative x, 1. So 3 into 1, 3. Then derivative minus 1, that is 0. So only 3 remaining. Whole divided by denominator square, 3x minus 1 whole square. So when we simplify, here we get this term becomes 0, into 0. So that is 0. So minus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. That is this term. And here we have to simplify. 3x into 2x, 6x square. Here there is minus 3x square. So 6x square minus 3x square. That is 3x square. So minus, here we get 6x square minus 3x square, 3x square. Then here minus 2x, only minus 2x. So 3x square minus 2x by 3x minus 1 whole square. So here we get only that much. So denominator 3x minus 1 into 2x minus x square into 3 all divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. So my 6x square minus 2x. So 6x square minus 3x square, 3x square. Here minus 2x by, so that's the answer. Okay.